Ladies and gentlemen, how are we doing today? So we're back down at the cars, and I can see one of them now. She's hidden in a bush and she looks quite a bit of a mess, as you can probably see behind me there. That's one of my Golfs, and obviously you've seen the other one that's inside today. So we're going to start stripping the windows, the boot off, and some other bits get done today, and then we're going to try and pull that car in, or at least further up, so it's off the grass, because I don't like it sat on the grass. But yeah, so we're going to get in, we're going to crack on and get some stuff done, and I'll see you in a bit. Bye. why we buy new headlinings. Plus they just fucked. But I've got the original part number on it, which is quite cool still. Hey, I'm sorry I forgot to do a new end bit for the video when I left the unit. So I was like to say thank you all for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I will hopefully see you again in a week or so with some more updates on my car. So yeah, everything's nearly fully stripped out now. Just the last few little bits to do, and then we're good for the welding to start, and then off to paint. Hopefully next month or so it should be in paint with some luck, but we'll see how that goes, because I don't really want the car for sitting too long, and then chance of it getting dented, damaged, scratched or whatever. So I think what we are going to do is we're going to try and get everything ready, all cleaned up, all sorted, then send the car off. But I'm not quite sure on that one. But I'd just like to say thank you very much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I shall see you very soon. Take care, have a good one, bye.